Lecture 9a. The CHRISTOFFEL symbol is not a tensor. It's not. You see, let us show that CHRISTOFFEL symbols does not satisfy the transformation law. You see, from the previous video, you see that a tensor obeys the transformation law. Now, given a coordinate system xi, again, xi are labels. The CHRISTOFFEL symbols of the Levi-Civita connection, this case, are defined by, you see, that's the definition, you see, of the second kind, CHRISTOFFEL symbol of second kind. Now, the covariant derivative of a vector, you see, I have a vector, Vk are the contravariant components belong to the tangent vector space TPM. You see, this is the CHRISTOFFEL symbol of second kind, which we already derived this expression on previous videos, previous lectures. Now, the tensor transformation law in general for any, in this case, is a TKIJ. Okay, this is 1, 2. Remember, 1, 2 tensor. Okay, this is a 1. This case will be 1 covector and 2 vector. Okay, that's a domain. Okay, now under a change of coordinates xi, x tilde p, the transformation law would be, you see, we derived this on the previous video, PQR tilde, you see, also this are, you see, related, the coordinates. This attention, tensor is invariant, but the components, okay, depends on the coordinate system. So that's expression 1. The next lecture, 9b, it will demonstrate that this gamma tilde, the CHRISTOFFEL symbol RPQ, is different from this relation 1. This is relation 1. You compare, okay? Compare here with relation 1. You see it is different, okay? That's it. Let's go to the next lecture 9b, okay?